Yasir, I think his name is Yasir. Yeah, Yasir has posted a question in our Discord. Here is the flow, upload. We upload the source video from the front end to the backend directly to the S3 using a signed URL. Industry standard, wonderful. Backend uses FFmpeg to transcode the video into multiple resolutions. Perfectly fine. Packaging. Convert the output into fragmented MP4 or TS segments and generate HLS, M3 UID, yeah, and that's when using the hash coding for okay. Store all segments and manifest in the S3 bucket with connect. Okay, that's fine too. Connect to the CDN to the S3 bucket for the global delivery, adding caching, headers, and optional signed URL cookies for secure access. Fine. Playback on the client side using okay, and for playback, my hair is falling faster than. On the client side, use hls.js for okay. Now, what we want this step 2 in web CMS side. So we don't need to encode from terminal based. How can I integrate the front end so we can upload it and make all resolution etc. So Yasir, I know that you're still watching this. This is a wonderful idea. I mean, this is what all the industry is also doing it. They can take the video to the backend, they process it to the backend, and then shoot it over for the next stream. So you're talking that now we want this step 2 in web CMS side. So no need to encode from terminal based. So are you trying to like, it's fine, have some fun, have some fun. So transcode in front end. We can do this. I think we can do this, which has H264, H265, AV1. I think H264, everyone has it. Even the mobile phones also has H264. I think forget FFmpeg as a tool, but we can use this H264 from the client side browser to transcode your videos. I think that's what you're trying to say. But which package should we use? A lightweight node module for transcoding videos to web-friendly MP4 using FFmpeg. This looks like a backend thing again. Do you think we can transcode videos in browsers in client side? Using the client side users GPU or CPU if they have H264 supported things. Why can't we transcode it? You have to drop the idea of FFmpeg because that's just not feasible, and it's written for like I have no experience with WebAssembly, how does it set up, but you can try it. It's worth to learn something new. And then for the best results, people just say that to use FFmpeg. How to do it without WebAssembly are available. Performance and features are limited compared to the FFmpeg WASM. For some reason, I hate to pronounce FFmpeg, man. It sounds as if I'm mimicking or making fun of someone. FFmpeg. For summary, for advanced transcoding, WebAssembly is currently Canva is just a different thing. I don't think we can use Canva, but we can definitely use encode in browser using media codecs. So maybe you can try referring to this media codecs encoding info method parameters method for okay. I'm still confused about what's happening here. You need that chat summarize in the chat to own the context. So this is what we are doing, AB. So Yasir has a question. He says that he wants this step 2 where he is taking the video from the user, storing it to the S3, and then getting it back in the backend. He's converting it, like transcoding it into the bunch of different things. So honestly, Yasir, if browser, Twitch, YouTube, they wouldn't have a backend, especially for transcoding. They would just drop that payload or that efforts into the client side or the user side. When I upload a video, they would like, okay, transcode for all these things as well. They would have done it. It's not really feasible, or even if it's feasible, we have like 1,000 different browsers. Everyone has their own resources. If it works, I never really tried WebAssembly till today. Give it a try.